Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, New Haven, local and long distance movers near me. You must relocate more than 50 miles away from your current location to qualify as a long distance relocation. At 3 Movers, we relocate belongings interstate, interstate, and locally. We have a good working relationship with the local and federal authorities in charge of relocation and its processes. There are insurance policies in place to take care of damage or loss during and after the relocation. We employ capable packing and moving hands who are dependable. Our services are affordable and we do not inflate prices. It is cheaper to move belongings locally than to move them over a long distance. Our moving company charges between $30 to $40 per hour. Our professional and dedicated local movers will provide you with good value for your money and follow your instructions and ideas. We're familiar with huge towns and urban locations, therefore we know how to transport your belongings without causing any problems. We have a fantastic team of local movers who are willing to help you plan out your move. If you need any more confirmation, ask our clients for reviews on our services. In addition to local and long distance moving, our New Haven moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.